I am at CES 2019 at Pepcom, and guess what we found? The Royole phone. Does it have a specific name?
FlexPai.
FlexPai?
Yes.
FlexPai. So this is a Royole FlexPai, and as you can see, it is a folding OLED display, and it is 1920 by 1440 pixels, 7.8 inches, and you know it's got a flexible part here in the middle. This feels like nicely made metal materials. Fingerprint reader on the edge here, power lock key. You know, there's a USB Type-C port and SIM slot. I saw a volume rocker earlier somewhere. Some speakers up here. Volume rockers, I think, down here. On either side of the fingerprint reader. But check this out. Like one moment it's a tablet, and you can pick it any way you want. And the next, you got yourself a smartphone. And so spec-wise, we're a little coy on the details, but we're looking at flagship specs. Snapdragon 8 series processor, 6 to 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, some pretty high-end cameras. I mean, you expect that for this level of product, but I mean, look at how cool this is. This is kind of amazing. And of course, the camera is only in the front. It's a dual system because you can take selfies anytime, right? You just tap the camera icon, start taking a selfie, and boom, there you are. So this is very, very cool. It's the first of its kind that's actually available on the market. I mean, Samsung's made a lot of brouhaha, but as we know, it's not out. So this is it. If you want a flexible phone right now, flexible display, this is it. Is there any pricing on this?
Right now, the pricing is $13.19 for a developer model in the United States.
$13.19?
Yes.
Okay, well, there you go. Well, thanks so much for this. So this is the Royole, what did you call it again?
FlexPai.
FlexPai, the Royole FlexPai here at CES 2019 at Pepcom. Stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, tell your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Mobile Tech Podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. Cheers, everybody.